Your senior dev runs one command. You open 3 tabs. In the next 6 minutes, I'm giving you 10 Linux commands that make you look like a pro. Moves seniors run on muscle memory, and almost nobody else uses. These aren't aliases. They aren't oh my zish plugins. They're built into the shell you already have. Save this. 10 commands. Each one collapses a 5-minute task into a single line. Each one is built into Linux. No installs, no frameworks. Just the terminal, used like a senior actually uses it. Let's go. Number 1. Bang bang and bang dollar. The 2 characters that delete half your typing. You ran a command. It needed sudo. You hit up arrow, home, type sudo, hit enter, stop, type sudo, space, bang bang. Bang bang reruns your last command. So sudo bang bang reruns the last command with sudo in front. Bang dollar is even better. It pastes the last argument of the previous command. Make a directory, then cd bang dollar. You just jumped into the folder you made. These 2 tokens save you thousands of keystrokes a year. Seniors use them on reflex. Number 2, cd dash. The back button for your shell. You're deep in /var/log. You jump to your project to check something. Now you want to go back. Most devs type the full path again. Don't. Just cd space dash. cd dash jumps to the previous directory you were in. Run it again. You toggle between the 2. It's like Alt-Tab, but for folders. Combine it with pushed and popped, if you have a stack of directories. But for the daily 2-folder shuffle, cd dash is the move. Number 3. tldr. Man pages that don't read like a legal document. The problem, you forget the flags for tar. You type man tar. 40 pages of dense 90s-style prose appear. You scroll, you give up, you Google. tldr replaces all of that. Install it once. Brew install, tldr, or apt install, tldr. Then tldr tar shows you 8 common examples. tldr ssh, tldr find, tldr ffmpeg. Every command you use with the actual recipe you need. It's man pages but written by humans who use the tool. After a week, you'll wonder how you live without it. Number 4. Watch-d. Rerun a command every 2 seconds and highlight what changed. The problem, you're deploying. You want to see the pod count update, the disk fill up, the log file grow. Most devs hit up arrow and enter every 2 seconds like an animal. Stop. Watch, space, -d, space, your command. Now it runs every 2 seconds, full screen, and any character that changed since the last run is highlighted. Watch kubectl get pods. Watch df-h. Watch ls-la. You see drift in real time, no scripting, no loops. Pure leverage. Number 5. ss-2lpn. The modern replacement for netstat. The problem, something is on port 3000. You don't know what. Most devs Google netstat flags. Netstat is deprecated. The replacement is ses. The 4 flags you need are T for TCP, U for UDP, L for listening, P for the process, N for numeric. ss-toolpn lists every listening socket on your machine, with the program and the PID. One command, every port mapped to a process. No more guessing what's running where. Number 6, lsof-i: port. Find what's holding a port hostage and kill it. You start your server. Address already in use. Port 3000 is taken. By what? Type lsof space -i: 3000. lsof prints the exact process holding that port, name, PID, user. Now kill -9 that PID and your port is free. lsof stands for list open files, and on Linux, everything is a file. Sockets, pipes, devices. Whenever something is locked, lsof tells you who is holding it. This one command saves you from 100 reboots a year. Number 7. rsync-avz-progress. SysCP is dead. The problem, you're copying 10 gigabytes between 2 servers. You use SCP. Halfway through, the connection drops. You start over. With rsync, you don't. Rsync transfers only the differences, resumes on failure, preserves permissions, and compresses on the wire. The flags, a means archive, keep everything. V means verbose, Z means compress. Add dash dash progress for a live progress bar. rsync dash avz dash dash progress source slash user at host colon des slash. Once you switch, you never type SCP again. Number 8. tar, the flags decoded once and for all. Every junior Googles tar flags every time. Stop. There are 4 letters that matter. C for create, X for extract, Z for gzip, V for verbose, F for file. So tar-czbefarchive.tar.gz, then your folder creates a compressed archive. tar-xzafarchive.tar.gz extracts it. The mnemonic is simple. X equals extract, C equals create. The rest is just verbose plus gzip plus file name. Memorize those 5 letters and you never Google tar again. Number 9. Htop and btop. Top is fine, htop is better, btop is gorgeous. Top is the default process viewer on every Linux box. It works, but htop is interactive. You can scroll, sort by column, kill processes with F9, filter by user. btop goes further. Beautiful colors, GPU monitoring, network graphs, smooth animations, all in your terminal. Install htop on every server you ss into. Install btop on your local machine. Once you've used htop for a week, top feels like reading a CSV with no editor. Number 10. Tee-with-process substitution. Split your output 2 ways at once. The problem? You want to see a command's output and save it to a file. Most devs run the command twice. Stop. Pipe to T, space, file.log. T duplicates the stream. Your terminal still sees it, and it lands in the file. Need to send it to 2 files? T file 1.log file 2.log. Need to send it to 2 different commands? Use process substitution, T space, greater than open parent grep error close parent, space greater than open parent wc-l close parent. 1 command, 2 analyzers, 0 temp files. This is the move that makes log debugging feel like a superpower. 10 commands, each one already on your machine. The gap between a senior engineer and everyone else in the terminal isn't typing speed. It's knowing the right tool exists and reaching for it without thinking. Drop these into your daily workflow and watch how much faster the boring parts get. If this leveled you up, follow for more dev workflows that actually move the needle. Drop the word Linux in the comments if you want a part 2, awk, JQ, seed, and the shell scripting patterns that make seniors look like wizards. See you in the next one.